testified yesterday that you considered Hanna like a little sister, is that right?
Yes.
What type of things would the two of you talk about?
Everything from hunting and fishing and four-wheeling to county fairs to fall festivals. Any issues that she had that she was going through or anything I was going through.
Did you confide in her as well?
Yes.
What would you confide in her?
Issues about my weight and stuff when I couldn't lose weight, and if I was having a bad week with Jake or my mother, or if I had any issues with Tabby or...
Under any circumstances, would you kill Hanna?
No.
Would you assist somebody else in killing Hanna?
No.
Do you remember saying on the recordings anything about your mother and whether she should get an attorney or not? Do you remember any of that?
Yes.
What do you remember?
The conversation that I believe you're talking about is that if all of us were arrested, that my mother should get the best one.
And did you say that?
Yes.
Why did you say that?
Because my mom's the one that watched the kids 5 days a week while we were gone anyway. They were used to being with her for 5 days a week, and I figured it would be easier on the children.
And were you thinking that, oh my God, I'm
Your
guilty?
Honor, objection.
What were you thinking when you said that?
I was just going under what basically I understood from the attorneys, that if we got arrested, that it could take 6 months, it could take 2 years to get to a trial and be able to work things out.
Do you remember on some of the recordings we listened to, your mother saying that something about being framed?
Yes.
What do you recall?
My mom and brother has said that since the beginning. That's why I believe that we were being framed, because they said that they were twisting everything that my mom and brother had on their phones and laptops, and they were trying to frame us.
And was that your mindset during these conversations?
Yes.
After listening to these recordings that we heard in court, how do you feel about what Jake was saying and what you now know he did?
I now know that he was just lying through his teeth to me.
What about your mother?
The same thing. She was just lying to me from the beginning.
Did you ever tell your mother, referencing these recordings, did you ever tell your mother you would take the blame for these murders?
No, I did not.